Hello everyone and namaste. Welcome to my channel Cooking with Siru. My name is Siru. Please don't forget to subscribe my channel, like my videos, share it, and you can comment it as well as don't forget to hit the bell icon. So today I'm going to make a garlic soup. So let's start. Here's the ingredients that I'm going to use. Fresh cream, 2 tablespoons, and some thyme, and black pepper, and butter, and 4 cloves of garlic, chopped, 1 large onion, and this is leek. It's 1 leek that I used and cut it, and 1 big large potato. So, and salt. Okay, pot is hot now. I'm going to add some butter. And at the same time I'm going to add chopped onion, and then stir it, and then I'm going to add garlic. Make sure the flame is in low heat and let it cook for 2 to 3 minutes. So now I'm going to add potato. And as well as I'm going to add leek. So let it cook for 5 to 7 minutes. Now I'm going to add salt, 1 teaspoon, and then I'm putting some thyme, and as well as black pepper. And stir it. Now I'm going to add water. And as well as I'm going to use a cream, 2 tablespoons, and let it cook for 10 to 15 minutes, or if you want you can give whistle as well. So leave it for 10 to 15 minutes. 10 minutes, let's check. Now it looks like this. I will let it cool down and then I'm going to blend it. So I blend this and then it looks like this. So I'm going to pour it in a dish, and I'm going to add a little bit of water. And this is how the soup looks like. And let it boil. Now I'm going to serve. And this is how it looks like, and you can just garnish with a little bit of cream. So it's like this. You enjoyed watching my video. Thank you for your time, and please don't forget to subscribe my channel, like my videos, share it, and you can comment it as well as please don't forget to press the bell icon, and thank you. See you next time and have a great day. Bye bye.